Hey everybody, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful Sea Ray to show you today on brokerage. This is a 2008 240 Sundeck in absolutely beautiful condition. See, it's a blue hull. It is bottom painted. The hull was just detailed, as well as the top side. It comes with the trailer you see here. Very well cared for. Blue bimini top. It's got canvas covers as well. We've got those off for the photos. Climb up here on the extended swim platform and show you the boat. Starboard side walkthrough into the cockpit. It's got newer snap-in carpeting. Upholstery's in great shape. Just a very clean boat. Twin bolstered bucket seats for captain and mate. You've got your head compartment in here. As you can see, it's got a plumbed head with dockside pump out. Bow seating. You've got storage in the deck. Cooler right here. Freshwater shower for when you get out of the water or off the beach using the forward boarding ladder. You've also got a freshwater shower in the cockpit. Storage underneath both of these loungers. You've got an in-deck table for the bow as well as the cockpit. Look at the dash here. We've got a Garmin chart plotter right there. Dash is in great shape. Trim tabs, all of your switches, lights, pumps, wipers, horn. We've got your powered and tilting helm, steering wheel, Sea Ray logo, SmartCraft, digital start and stop, Mercury binnacle, really great layout. Very well cared for. Freshwater sink here on the starboard side. There are your tables. Got a little tray for your trash can. Got courtesy lights throughout. Here in the engine compartment. So you've got your Mercruiser 350 mag. Batteries, battery switch around the corner. You've got access through here. Really a great boat. Being offered by a great owner who's taken wonderful care of it. If you guys have any questions about this boat, you can call me on my cell. That number is 239-249-4345. Again, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach, on board this 2008 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.